Kidogo mechi iko tough kutokana na situation iliyokuwepo, lakini umoja na ushirikiano umetupa kitu ambacho tumepata leo. Ingawa tulikuwa tunahitaji matokeo ya pointi 3, lakini Mwenyezi Mungu ndo anajapanga kila kitu. Kwa hiyo alichotupa hichi tulikuwa tunastahili kukipata na tumekipata. Tunajipanga zaidi nyumbani tutapata matokeo mazuri.
Yes, of course, playing away from home, if we get a point, if we get a draw, it's good, yeah. We came here, we could see the conditions weren't favorable, but we had to cope with it, we had to adapt to it. And I want to congratulate the boys, everybody put in a good shift. Now we focus on the return leg, yeah.
It's a good team. They have good players, the number 16, I think. The number 4 is a very good player who put us work hard on the midfield. But I think the next game is going to be very, very interesting game. And I think I'm going to build up before next game to be. I hope we're going to win this game and we're going to go for Egypt to play the next game.